Good day, everybody. We're at Shell Falls. We're gonna have to take a hike down the hill.
In Wyoming.
That's right, Shell Falls in Wyoming.
In the little Bighorn Mountain.
So we're gonna be taking a hike down a trail to get to the actual falls. She says this is the Bighorn National Forest. All their little information placards are all vacant. Looks like they're repainting and redoing them. I hear a waterfall off to this side. Maybe that's just a river running. Well, this is going to be a good exercise because if you got to go down, it means you got to come back up. Nothing getting by me. What do we do? We caught a wonderful day. It was freezing this morning when we left the house. And now I'm actually out here walking with no sweater. Kind of hard to see it, but the river is way down there in the bottom. Way down there. You see the river over that direction. This is a loop?
Yeah.
Oh. So it's not going to be so bad if it's just a loop. That's all we went down.
Come on back up. There's no speakers on there.
They have nice chain link fencing around the whole thing so you can't screw up and fall off. Winter time and snow season closing in quickly. See if I can get the gimbal to aim down there. I think that is a little waterfall too. Okay, going back up the stairs now to another viewpoint. It's supposed to be the viewing area for the big waterfall. Oh, nice waterfall. Doesn't look like we're going to be able to get any closer to it. You have everything.
You can see the river coming down from the fall.
Yeah.
And then when we walk down there, you start to see the fall and the pools where the fish are.
All right, so we're going to go down to that other lookout down there now.
Yeah.
Okay, we backtracked to another trail. This is taking us to another lookout point. It's actually not too bad of a hike here. And very safe. There's some big drop-offs. Okay, it looks like the U.S. Department of Agriculture building is the center point, and all of the trails take off from there. So there's steps going down on this one. Get a nice look from multiple different areas here. They've done a good job preparing it for tourists. What a view. I'd sure like to get down there closer to it, but it isn't in the cards. It's not going to happen. Got all the trails or nice chain link fences to keep you out. Just imagine when snow melt first coming down, how heavy this thing is flowing. This is literally in the end of the summertime, so this is about as little as it's going to be. Nice view. Awesome view here. This is my sister and brother-in-law. They brought us up here.
Hello from Wyoming.
I hope you appreciate this content. If you reach right down to the bottom, where? Over here, I think. Or is it over here? One side or the other, I always forget. Mash that like and subscribe, help our channel. It doesn't cost you anything, we appreciate it. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going. Out.